pioneering oligonucleotide therapeutics development. The rise of oligonucleotide therapeutics is, really redefining the possibilities of precision medicine. These short synthetic strands of nucleotides have honestly become powerful tools for gene regulation, making them vital in drug discovery, gene silencing, and functional genomics. But developing oligonucleotide-based therapies demands more than just scientific vision. It requires robust, scalable, and reliable synthesis strategies that ensure quality, purity, and flexibility at every stage. Overcoming barriers in oligonucleotide development. From early-stage design to lead candidate selection, oligonucleotide development is a journey filled with, quite a bit of complexity. Sequence optimization, chemical modification, off-target minimization. All of these demand deep expertise and tailored solutions. Empowering innovation with advanced oligonucleotide chemistry. Innovative oligonucleotide chemistry really drives functional performance and therapeutic success. Through precise backbone modifications, conjugation strategies, and base alterations, scientists can, fine-tune oligos for enhanced stability, cellular uptake, and target affinity. But unlocking this potential relies on synthesis platforms that can support diverse structural requirements with both precision and consistency. Scalable solutions for oligonucleotide synthesis. Scalability is key to bridging discovery with application. High-throughput oligonucleotide synthesis, supported by automated systems and strict quality control, enables rapid iteration, structural customization, and cost-effective production. BOC Sciences, your partner in oligonucleotide synthesis and raw materials. At BOC Sciences, we empower your oligonucleotide therapeutics with comprehensive synthesis services and high-quality raw materials. From custom sequence design and chemical modification to the supply of phosphoramidites, linkers, and other oligo building blocks, our solutions are engineered to accelerate your research pipeline. Backed by scalable platforms and scientific precision, we're here to advance your oligonucleotide innovation every step of the way. Contact BOC Sciences today to explore how we can support your development journey.